Hi, so much Black here, and before I can do a review of my Vibram Five Finger Trek Ascent Insulated shoes, I first have to repair them, because, like you can see here, the laces are secured via loops of fabric. I think this is nylon fabric, but one of these loops has frayed completely, and now the shoelace here is completely loose, so I can't use this shoe anymore without repairing it. So I will get out my sewing machine, and I think I have some 10mm nylon webbing I can use as a replacement for the grayish loops. Yes, I recently ordered a piece of 10mm nylon webbing in black. It's not gray like the rest of the shoes lacing system, but at least it has around the same size, so it probably will do well. Now I have to get out the laces. I have to trim this part of the strap off, and then I can sew on a replacement strap. Now that I've cleaned up the rest of the lace hook, I can now try to fit my material to the actual lace and sew it on. Okay, so now that I have my sewing machine set up, I want to show you how I plan to sew. I will first stitch down the nylon strap this way, so in the direction of the interlacing system, and then do 2 top stitches above, so I can stitch down the lacing system here to have some room for the laces, and also can tuck it in here to get it a little bit more secure, that it doesn't fray so much. I unfortunately doesn't have a lighter at the moment. With a lighter you can easily burn and melt the outer layer of the nylon strap, so you can prevent it from fraying. But since I want to wear these shoes in the next 2 hours and I don't have a lighter here, I will do it this way. And if it's get loose. If it gets loose, I can always sew a new webbing on that. Okay, so now I have sewn on this thing. It's too difficult for me to finish this off with a nice hem and top stitching because it's just too stiff of a webbing. So I will buy a lighter today or tomorrow or somewhat and then finish off this edge. But I will now first try to get on the laces, try to fit in them, and let's see whether they hold up, and it fits actually pretty nice here. And there you have it, a nice repaired Vibram Five Finger shoe with the matching undamaged pair. Okay, what's my takeaway from this little project? I think I should have used thinner webbing. The one I used is a bit thick and a bit... Yeah, it's nylon webbing. Polyester webbing would have been an interesting alternative. I could have tried that out. Unfortunately, I do not have polyester webbing at the moment. Of course, the color difference is apparent, so I should try to get webbing of the same color and fabric thickness the next time. Maybe I will find a better alternative and try to switch it out. On the other hand, this kinda works now. I can use the shoes again, and that's the main point of this video. You can see the last DIY video I made here of a Techwear belt, and then you can see another video of mine here. If you want to see more of my stuff, consider subscribing and hit that little bell icon. And as always, thanks for watching and have a nice day.